is a state of mind.
What's up everybody, Akashic Skies here. Today I'm gonna review this Neewer NP-FW50 battery replacement. As you can see, this is a Sony one. I think they're like super expensive, like 60 bucks a piece. They're the Info Lithium. And then this is another Sony version. And then this is the Neewer version. So the Sonys are 900 mAh and the Neewers are 1100 mAh. I just got the box so you can see what comes inside. It comes with a cool like double charger. I only had a single charger and that's kind of annoying to only be able to charge one at a time and use up one whole outlet. And this also uses a USB cord instead of the plug-in outlet like the one I got with the Sonys. These ones are getting a little old so they don't last as long. I have a Neewer, it also comes with a charger. I have a Neewer in the camera right now and I went out to a farm to do some filming and it's at 73%. And that's after, you know, probably did like at least 20-30 minutes of filming. So that's pretty good. Typically the Sony dies pretty quickly. So I did some reviews. I'll put the link for this one below. I think for $28 this is some of the best value and it has a larger capacity with the 1100 mAh versus the 900 that most other ones have. I'll put the links to the other ones, but after doing some research, the Neewer kind of was the best option. I'll put a link for that too. Click it at no extra cost to yourself. But Neewer seems to be like one of the best budget brands for like a lot of photography things, lighting, batteries, different gear like that. I also got some outdoor like lighting shades that are really good quality. I don't know how they do it with the low price and the good quality stuff, but Neewer is pretty good stuff. I think my light I'm using right now is a Neewer and it's cheaper and it's okay. It's not a LED, it's a compact fluorescent. But yeah, check these out if you guys are looking for a budget-friendly replacement to the Sony NP-FW50s for all of your camcorders, Sony cameras, and stuff like that. So yeah, health, happiness, and abundance. Hope you guys enjoy.